Greetings back home. Just arrived at our destination in San Francisco. Our beautiful residential area we're staying in called Ocean Beach. And admittedly we've just missed the sun, but there's a beautiful, beautiful glow looking around. It's literally 3 minutes from the apartment that I'm staying at. Looking around, absolutely fabulous. Once again, by the Pacific Ocean. The surf is pretty good here, but apparently it's not good for any form of surfing, whatever, because there's quite a lot of riptides here, and you can see by the thing that it's actually quite well, look at that globe, boys and girls. So here it is. I'm going to do a 1 minute video just to show you the appreciation. Over those hills there is the Golden Gate Bridge in downtown San Francisco. But look at that. Oh, absolutely lovely, as we say. Absolutely lovely. Wow, fantastic. See out of the Simon though. And by the way, for those that were laughing at my Patsy Palmer post earlier on, and I actually put look at that, look great. Nice one, boys and girls. Have a fabulous morning when you get up for work.